Now, let's see how we can call stored procedures, which return the result set. The ones that we have looked up so far, the one that we have studied so far is stored procedures that take input parameter and then output parameter. Okay? This is the case that we are going to actually see that we are going to call stored procedures that do not take an in and out, but take, then result set as a result. So background information, some databases such as MySQL, SQL Server, Sybase supported stored procedures that return result set. Other databases such as Oracle do not, but they do support what is called the output parameters that return cursors. So either scheme should be able to be used to get the result set. Okay, so different databases will use a different scheme. Here we are going to use MySQL. So if the stored procedure returns a result set or cursor output parameter, you are going to call get result list or get single result method. Okay? And if stored procedures have multiple result set, or multiple cursor output parameters, then you can just keep calling get result list, okay, to get the next result. Okay, so this is an example of a stored procedure that returns a result set. So here we have a get employees, and then it will call select star from employee. So all the rows of that employee table will be returned as a result. Now, in order to invoke that get employee using named procedure query, so it looks like I have double. Yeah, I have to remove this guy. So the name of this named stored procedure query is get employees, and that's what you're going to use over here. And the actual procedure name is get underscore employees. Now you have to specify result class. Here, the result class is going to be employee class, okay? And then you're going to call. So we're going to actually use get employee named stored procedure query. So I use the same name here, get employees. And then you can call get result list on that query object. By the way, when you call get result list method, inside is calling execute method. Okay? So it will return list of employee type. Okay, so this result classes should be the same as you specify here. So it's going to receive list of employee, and then you can just do for loop to display each employee data. Okay, so this is how you are going to use named stored procedure query for getting result set. This is for using a stored procedure query. So here you call the name of stored procedure, in this case is called the get underscore employees, as we know about, and you specify the resulting class. Okay, and then rest of the code is the same. All right, so let's actually do exercise 2. So that is the first one. Here we are going to get the result set. So let's actually try to call Java application and main method. So yeah, it basically returns a number of employees. So we have 5 employees in the employees table. So it calls a get employees, and you got 5 employees. Okay? And next one is stored procedure. Yeah, so we're gonna this time actually using a stored procedure rather than the name stored procedure. So run as in Java application, and it probably should work the same. Okay, so we got the 5 employees. So again, if you take a look at the code, so this is what you get, and the code is we define named stored procedure query called the get employees name, and procedure name is and result class employee name. So same thing that I mentioned to you in the slide. And yeah, so and then this is the main method, and we calling create name stored procedure query, providing the name of the query, and then we call get result set, and the rest of it is just a for loop. Okay, same thing for stored procedure. So if you look at the code, the only difference is this, and the rest of it is the same. Okay. All right, so homework exercise, create a new stored procedure to the MySQL with the following content. So you're going to create compute subtract store procedure, and then it actually returns subtracted value, and then it should work pretty much the same. Okay. All right. So I'll give you maybe 5 minutes to do exercise 2, and if you have time, you can do homework exercise as well.